Welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be opening a little package. Yes, it's one I got a few days ago and haven't opened it yet because I've not been feeling too good, so not being able to get it done, so I'm going to do it now when I'm feeling a little better. So let's get down to the table and see what's inside. Okay, so here we are, and you can see it's just a little envelope, but I know what it is. It's what I've been waiting for, and it goes along with the last unboxing video that we had, because it's another book to do with Conan, and this one is the first Overlord book. This is made up of different scenarios that have been compiled by compiled by fans of the game. So I'm opening this all up upside down, so I can't read anything, so don't expect any clear readings from me, but what I can read I will do. So there we go, we've got this one. Veneria is in the fort. Fack the Simian. Mayhem at Sin Valent Hill. First mistake, last mistake. The Valentine's Day Ball. A Heart to be Taken. The Crimson Knight. The Sepulchre. Torrid Knight is that? The Most Barbarous Game. Balthus Grief. The Sails of Wrath. Camel Madness. Reason of State. Rescue at the Top. The King's Wolves, and that's it. So we have the nice normal Conan art book. It's actually been compiled by Monoliths Games. See what it does say here. Yeah. So these are, it says, I don't know whether you read it beforehand or whether you could see it clearly, but it says, we would like to thank Fred Henry for his generosity and the whole Monolith team for having encouraged and supported this project. Thank you, Centimar, for the formidable work done every day on the Overlord forum. But last but not least, we'd also like to thank all the fans, the authors, for sharing their creations, and the translators team for all the hard work. We hope that the players will enjoy playing those scenarios as much as we enjoyed creating them, the Overlord. So that's what we have. Quite a few more scenarios for Conan. What I need to do now is just get on with Conan, really. So we're getting very near the end of painting the minis for Mythic Battles Pantheon. Once we've done that, we're going to be carrying on and getting back into Conan. We have other things to paint as well, but there we are. It's all go. But that's it for this video. Hope you like it. This is the Overlord book for Conan. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.